Yan guys, oh. Parang nasa dagat na may anong tawag dito? May bakawan. Di ba ba? Tubig yan. Oh. Malinis siya. Clear water. Very nice. Oh, dito pala yung dos guys. Oh. Diyan kami nagko-coffee. Good place yan. Very nice place. Bilisan lang natin. Very nice place. Very clear water guys. Walang isda. Good for coffee. Yan guys, oh. Just factory. Tapos may Starbucks dito sa likod. Ito Starbucks. Dami lang tao. Ganda rin ng decoration ng mga plants. Ito, oh, pang display pala ito. Okay guys, let's go. Daming mga coffee shop dito. Oh, too much ganda display. Very nice plan. Okay na guys. Very nice display guys, oh, candle. Ganda ng restaurant, oh, candle. Candle display guys. Unique. Ay, may tao guys.